Why don't you begin with explaining the whole matter to us before we get into any more serious conversation on this one?
There is no denial that Microsoft kind of operating system, a foreign operating system, is being used by an individual in India. The market share of Microsoft is huge whereas India is concerned. And it's not limited to an individual or a corporate or an MSME, but is also used by the defense and security establishments of our country. And there is an admission by the Microsoft at various levels in the world wherein they have accepted they have a right over the emails, the data of an user, over the right of an user itself. This has come in a light of my, this has come with a light, we have filed a petition in Supreme Court wherein my client right to privacy has been infringed. And through that we have come to a knowledge that they have an access to the entire data, whatever is being stored, shared, whereas Microsoft operating system is concerned.
Khushbu also comment on the fact that while of course this has been talked about quite a bit in Indian media for some days now, where do the Indian laws and regulations stand in this context?
Whereas India is concerned, we do have legislation in place, which is IT Act 2000, but it doesn't cover the entire issues coming up. When it comes to spying, when it comes to data theft, when it comes to storing of a data, we don't have a composite law in that regard. There is a recent case of US versus Microsoft, wherein US government has asked for a data stored in a foreign land, data center in a foreign land of Ireland, Dublin. Whereas Microsoft has denied that the data stored in a foreign land you don't have access to, but the data whereas stored in a US you have an access to because you have a jurisdictional control over it. Whereas India is concerned, we don't have such law where we have a control over the data which is stored outside. And it is an accepted, there's no denial that all our data by Microsoft or other foreign operating systems is being stored in various data centers located abroad, located in foreign locations. And we don't have, as in India, to have access over that data and also the control over that data which is being stored there by various other agencies all over the world and will not be limited to a terrorist organization.
Khushbu also comment on the fact because, RBI recently had mentioned on how, and it had given 6 months to bring in all servers where Indian data really was put into India itself. Does that come in under this, and how is that being treated since you look at that whole of sector?
No, this would not, because the guideline which has come is specifically from the RBI with respect to the financial institutions. And the same identical issues, exactly what RBI has looked into is the data stored outside. We don't have a jurisdiction over that data, whereas the government or our security system is concerned. The same guideline we need or a notification we need with respect to the data centers, because let that be a finance, this covers everything. It's not new that how much Microsoft can have access when it has an access to entire operating system of yours. Be it emails, be it everything under the umbrella.
Sure. So, Khushbu, what is the road ahead from here? What are you expecting in sense of rules, regulations, implementations, legislations?
We have just filed a petition. We are waiting for it to come up in the court and the cognizance should be taken up. We want an investigation to be a multidisciplinary investigation to be done by the Union of India or by an authority being appointed under Union of India to look into the matter, to investigate to what extent the data has been taken away by Microsoft and stored, and to what extent it has been infringed or been given to in the hands of foreign people or and entities it should not ought to have been gone. And way forward, we are looking forward for a proper legislation to come up. In the meantime, if in the absence of the legislation being come up in the place, we want restriction over the Microsoft over collection of unauthorized data.
Sure. Khushbu, one final question before we let you go, and this one is on the other partners of Microsoft in India, which is KPMG, PwC, etc. Where do they stand on this?
Yes, because Microsoft, along with these representatives, auditing firms such as KPMG, PwC, engage them and they create a pirated version. And the moment you buy a pirated version, then these people send Microsoft and their representatives such as PwC, KPMG, barge into your office, come and ask, act like a police and say that we need access to your computer. They put in some data, some dongle in your PC and then take away entire data of yours and then threaten you that you're using a pirated version. So now you have to either go for a penalty or let's do a settlement, and then they force you to buy a original Microsoft. That's the conduct which has been happening not just in India. There have been news all over the world where they've been doing like that. For a Microsoft of a company could not control a piracy of a software is a questionable thing. And even if there is a pirated version, there is a law of the land, due process has to be followed, which Microsoft, along with its representatives such as KPMG, PwC, are not following to.